Welcome. Today's topic is flat earth science, and we'll have a look at the channel gudtims4all. Let's start. First of all, I want to thank all my patrons, members, donors and subscribers. All of you are important for me. Thank you very much. Today I will have a look at two of his videos. It seems like he have a classic flat earth problem, and it's to explain the sun and the moon. Let's see a bit from one of his two videos that I'm looking at today.
Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. This is gudtims4all, or Zachary Zabala here if you prefer. In this video, we will show one possibility on why the sun and moon wagon wheel across the sky.
Wagon wheel across the sky? Do you mean this type of wagon wheel? Okay, I know what the wagon wheel effect is. Let's move on.
We will start by observing sunspot rotation from 41 degrees north latitude. I'd like you to pay attention to the time in the bottom right hand corner and the arrow that will be placed to show the alignment of the sunspots. It is around 10 o'clock, and you can see as we jump forward about an hour, each time the sun continues to rotate clockwise to our perspective. Here at 2 in the afternoon, it's moved almost 90 degrees already. And by its finish, it has. Next we will observe the moon doing the same thing. Again, the time in the bottom right hand corner, and we will observe this spot right here as it rotates clockwise. You can see each picture is about an hour later, if not more. The spot, just like the spots on the sun, rotate clockwise throughout the evening. I learned this myself from a great video content creator named Phuket Word here on YouTube. He has all kinds of videos on perspective and how your eyes work, so go check out his channel.
Sorry, but you did get that one wrong. From a great bullshit creator on YouTube.
All you will need to try this at home and recreate it is a ceiling fan, a flat circular disc, and your eyes. We will observe from 4 different vantage points: directly under the pole, halfway to the disc, directly under the disc, and then about the same distance outside of the disc. We will also observe it while it is rotating in a counterclockwise rotation. We will start out with our first video directly under the North Pole. I will zoom in after each rotation, focus, and place a little crosshair. As you can see, the blue is on top and the red is on the bottom. As I rotate it here, you will see that it really doesn't rotate to our perspective due to the fact that we are standing on the pole. Once again, the blue is on top, the red is on bottom. Pretty close to just how it was in our previous picture. this would be in a southerly spot from our vantage point. And again, we see the blue on top and the red on the bottom.
I can't stand listening to him. I will speed it up so we get to the conclusion.
Now this brings up a very interesting question. Shouldn't the sun or moon from the southern pole do the exact same as it does from the north and not appear to rotate at all? Could one trip to Antarctica in one afternoon put the heliocentric model to bed forever?
He didn't mention that the rotation was 15 degrees per hour. Thank you, Bob. And the idea of going to the Antarctica. It's a great idea, because if you as a flat earther goes there in the summertime, it will destroy the flat earth. Let's move on.
This video is gonna be a blast from the past, the way I used to do videos with, you know, just me and a cell phone, because I'm gonna expand upon this one and just don't have the data yet to make a video. I don't know yet, really, to be true. But here we have our flat earth model. We have the North Pole in the center. We have our 45-degree north mark at the blue circle, the equator at the red, and our 45-degree south here with the green. Now what I did, we have these two pieces of paper. Okay? Now they have a line running right down the center of them that are exactly the same, and then lines running a T right through here. I know this one just looks like a few different lines marked all over each other, and I'll show you why. But the T is equal on both of them. Now, this has to do with the rotation that we see with the sun and moon wagon wheeling in the sky. As you watch it throughout the day, you'll notice that the sun and moon kind of do a rotation. They turn this way in the sky as you watch them. And my last video I did showed how that works on a flat earth with the perspective. And it got me thinking, can we tell a difference between the perspective from 45 degrees north and 45 degrees south on a flat plane? And will it be different than the globe? See, in a globe, the perspective at 45 degree north and 45 degree south would be the same as long as the luminary was passing over the equator at that time. So what I did is we have some holes punched in here that go in the hole in the center, and is that it? Oh, hold on a sec. Gotta make sure you get it in the hole.
Oh dear, it's not easy to be a scientist. Needles and paper. That's difficult. Oh.
Nope. I'm having trouble. Let me, I'm gonna have to push down on this a little bit. There we go. And give it a groove. The paper must have moved on top. But as you can see here now, that line that goes this way on the piece of paper, it follows the equator perfectly. So it's going to go all the way around and be lined up with the equator. And what these are is we have a line every 15 degrees.
15 degrees, you say. I wonder why. Thank you, Bob.
The luminaries in the sky move about 15 degrees every hour, so this would be our solar noon right here. All of our measurements will be taken from this 0 degrees right here. And this is the latitude, or the longitude.
So he's not sure about latitude and longitude. This is promising. Let's move on to the end of the video and hear his conclusions.
And yeah, just throwing this out here, I think this could be a globe killer, folks. Undisputable, depending on what the data shows. If it does show they're the same, not going back to a globe, of course, there's way too many proofs, so it's really just going to teach us something about the sun and moon and the appearance, from the difference from north to south. Is there more going on up in the sky than we, you know? I mean, the sky is such a mystery already. This could just be another big, you know, another big conundrum we're going to have to try and figure out. So yeah, all we can do is learn from trying this. But I'm going to need some help from out here.
Oh dear, this was real high-tech, high-level flat earth science. Sorry, I meant stupidity. That was all I had for you this time. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please become a member, subscribe, or just come back next time I'm showing a video. See you soon, bye.